Well, there's been a lot of snow this winter, and I don't need to tell you that. The amount accumulating can be a problem for rooftops, though. Wab Kinew joins us now. He's got a look at what can be done about it.
Yeah, I'm outside of a senior's home in Stonewall, Manitoba. Just look up there, you can see a crew of roofers clearing the snow. They're just about half an hour away from being done. Now, the reason they're doing that is to prevent the heavy snow from damaging the roof. That can lead to leakages, even collapse. That particular now that the snow is being blamed for the collapse of 3 roofs in Edmonton in the past week. Fluctuating temperatures can lead ice to build up, and more precipitation means more weight on the roof. Homeowners can clear some of the snow off the roofs themselves using roof rakes to reach up from the ground. However, this roofer doesn't think homeowners should head up onto the roofs themselves.
A lot of injuries occur, not only from the falling from the roof and the snow, but of course in all that heavy snow that's going to land on the ground is not going to be on your walkways and driveways. So now you've got the big heavy snow that you have to move twice.
Now you can hire a crew of guys like this for about $150 an hour. An hour should be enough time to clear the snow off of a roof for an average sized bungalow. Reporting live from outside the senior's home, Wab Kinew, CBC News, Stonewall.